here because all of a
No,
sudden
ma'am.
you hold this press conference alleging serious wrongdoing. We've yet to see some evidence, and I'm also just wondering what was your original motivation here? You said you only met the 18 gentlemen in October of last year and started building this case. So paano po kayo nasama dito?
You know, ma'am, you cannot label the information they have as second hand or third hand.
No, your
because
information is secondhand. Kasi we were asking you
personal
about...
witnesses po sila.
Yes,
No?
but they only told you. Wala ka naman talaga doon, right? That's the definition of secondhand, sir. You
But
weren't there.
I did not execute the affidavit. They were the ones who execute the affidavit.
Correct. Yes, they executed. Then they told you about all of these things. So your information is secondhand, not their information. So that's what I was asking you. What is your involvement here?
I think you misunderstood the rules on evidence, ma'am. But nevertheless, I
What
do not
do I
want
not
to
understand
argue
about the
with you.
rules of evidence?
Yes.
What do I not understand about the rules of evidence?
For describing their statement or my statement as second hand.
It's not secondhand. You weren't there, right? As you said, you yourself said you weren't there when all of these things were going on, when they were withdrawing the money,
Do you
giving
know
the money to
about-
somebody
do
else.
you
They
know
were
the
all
meaning
told to
of,
you.
Do you know the meaning of independently relevant statement?
Okay, so that's what I'm also trying to get at. What is your involvement here? Bakit kayo nasama dito? You're not a prosecutor. You're not. Are you a lawyer for some of these Marines?
Alam nyo, ma'am, bilang isang Pilipino, meron akong obligasyon na mahanap natin ang katotohanan at katarungan dito sa pagnanakaw ng
Sir,
pera
sir.
sa kabad ng bayan.
Oh, you don't have to tell me
Okay,
that.
you asked
We are
about
also
my
trying to get to the
motivation.
bottom of things. Oo, kami din.
You asked about my motivation, no? Alam niyo po, noong 2013, ang advocacy ko ay anti-corruption at ako ang nag-expose sa PDAF scam. And Ben Harloy was one of my witnesses. Kinasuhan ko ang 14 na senador, 198 na congressmen at limang cabinet secretaries.
Okay, yeah.
Pangalawa, yung mga pag-aabuso ni Teves sa Negros. Halos isang taon po akong pabalik-balik sa Negros kasi walang matakbuhan ang mga biktima ng patayan doon. Ngayon po, nakita ko kung paano trinato si Gutesa. At meron akong obligasyon na tumulong para malaman natin ang katotohanan. You ask about my motive, that is my motive.
I don't
Gusto
understand.
kong makaambag sa paghahanap ng katarungan.
I don't understand.